All right, here are the big freight elevators that I just found. Ooh, still got the interesting fixtures, nice. I think these are on separate controller. Yep, it sure is. Interesting that they're on separate controllers. This is nice. Wow, look how tall these elevators are. These are definitely really tall. This is my second time I've ever seen those type of fixtures. I saw one on the other freight elevator. All right, here it is. There might be people on it. Might be stopping to pick people up. Probably go on the other elevator. Oh, I thought there was the alarm button, but thankfully not. Those passenger elevators were insanely busy. Lots and lots of people are getting on. I can't even see what year these were put in. I'm gonna get a full cab view of this elevator, and there is music, so I'm gonna have to talk over as much as I could. I thought there was a bumper right there, but I don't think, but apparently there's not. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pause for now, but we're gonna get the other elevator car. All right, here is the freight elevator. Here's the other one. Ooh, this one seems like it's seen better days. Anyway, so we got your cab view here. Let's close the door before that music gets detected. We'll go on to beat 3, and then we're gonna end. Ooh, this one. Oh, this one actually has cardboards. Oh, okay. I didn't realize this thing has cardboards in it. Covered with cardboard. But this is the other freight elevator here. I wonder what kind of fixtures these are. I've never seen these fixtures before on an Asian type elevator, and I think I just stepped on some trash. Yeah, I stepped on a piece of trash right there. Let's see if we can make this without stopping a lot. If it stops, we're just gonna go ahead and get off and end the video. Got people getting on. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and get off at B1. That's where I got on. not gonna film any more elevators because it's so much busy and I'm very on limited time. Oh, this one's got the bumper. Well, anyways, that'll be it.